What's the meaning of arty-farty? Arty-farty. Arty-farty.
Arty-farty. Arty-farty. The term arty-farty is typically used as a derogatory way to describe something that is perceived as overly pretentious, self-indulgent, or affected in the arts and culture field. It suggests a lack of substance and authenticity, often accompanied by an excessive focus on style over content. The phrase is often used to criticize individuals or works of art that are perceived as being superficial and lacking in real artistic merit. Overall, arty-farty conveys a negative connotation towards anything that seems showy or insincere in its aesthetic appearance.